Installing copper bars and cables for battery packs. Tools. Personal protective equipment. Connect the black start cable. Install the copper bars for battery packs. Pre-install nuts according to the recommended torque of 27 Nm. Install the general output power cable for the battery rack. Verify the torque value. Pre-installed cable position. Install the 48-volt cables. Install the cables to the COM ports. After the cables are installed, bind them with cable ties. Remove the baffle plate in front of the power distribution area. Install the DC power cables. Install the auxiliary AC power cables with external grid power supply. Install the single-phase AC input power cables without external grid power supply. Install the communications cable. Seal the cable hole with the sealing putty and reinstall the baffle plate to the power distribution area. Close the ESS cabinet doors and secure the safety rope.